Lord Shiva, the embodiment of strength and serenity, transcends all limitations of time and space. He is the yogi who meditates in the sacred mountains, the Nataraja who dances the Tandava to destroy the old and create the new, and the Neelakanta, the one with the blue throat who drank the poison to protect the cosmos. Om Namah Shivaya, Chandraya, Mangalaya, Somaya Shantaye, Mrityunjayaya, Sharvaya, Mahadevaya Te Namaha. It is said that during the churning of ocean, Samudra Manthan, a poison called Alahala emerged from the depth of the ocean, threatening to destroy of all creation. The gods and the demons, unable to contain the poison's destructive force, turned to Lord Shiva for help. In his infinite compassion, Lord Shiva did not hesitate for a moment. He drank the poison to save the world. As the poison filled his throat, it turned his throat blue-earning and earned him the name Neelakanta, the one with the blue throat. This act of selfless sacrifice demonstrated his role as the ultimate protector, enduring suffering for the good of all creation. Today, our students of grade 4th standard will bring to life this powerful and moving story through the universal language of dance. As they perform, they will take us through the churning of the ocean, the appearance of deadly poison, and Lord Shiva's act of supreme sacrifice. And here we go.
ಪುರಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮಂಥನ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸುರರು ಮತ್ತು ದೇವತೆಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಅಮೃತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸೆಣಸಾಡುವ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶವೆದುರಾದಾಗ ಲೋಕ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಿಷವನ್ನೇ ಕುಡಿದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಶಿವನು ವಿಷಕಂಠನಾದ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತು ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಮೂಲಕ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.
Shiva, 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 Shiva,